The fuel pump's job is to deliver fuel from the gas tank to the engine's fuel injectors at the correct pressure. It ensures your engine gets the fuel it needs to run properly. This pressure is typically 30 to 80 psi for port injection systems and higher for direct injection. Here is a cross-sectional view showing the fuel pump's internal components. And here's an overview of the fuel system diagram. When a fuel pump starts to fail, you'll typically notice one of three key symptoms: low fuel pressure, a no-start condition, or hesitation signs during acceleration. Low fuel pressure causes engine hesitation and reduced acceleration, as the pump can't maintain adequate fuel flow to the injectors. A no-start condition means the vehicle cranks but won't start, often due to complete pump failure preventing initial fuel delivery. Hesitation signs include stuttering or bogging down during acceleration, from inconsistent fuel flow causing voltage drops under high demand. We'll break down each of these symptoms in detail in the following sections. Low fuel pressure results in engine hesitation, reduced acceleration, or surging power. This happens when the fuel pump can't keep up with fuel demand, often due to a worn impeller or clogged filter, starving the injectors. Think of it as trying to sprint while breathing through a straw. A no-start condition occurs when your car cranks normally, but the engine fails to start. The starter motor turns the engine over, but there's no ignition or power delivery. This symptom is usually caused by complete fuel pump failure, such as a seized motor from overheating or worn internal components. Alternatively, a lack of voltage prevents the pump from activating, often due to faulty relays or wiring problems. To confirm the issue, use a fuel pressure gauge connected to the fuel rail. This tool quickly shows if fuel is reaching the engine under pressure, helping distinguish between pump and other system problems. Visual aids show real diagnostic scenarios, including starter issues that can mimic fuel pump problems, wiring diagrams for electrical troubleshooting, and pump component details to understand internal failures. Hesitation signs involve intermittent stuttering or bogging down, especially under load. This stems from inconsistent fuel flow, often due to a failing relay or weak electrical connections. These cause voltage drops when the engine demands more fuel. It feels like the engine is struggling to keep up. Fuel pumps fail for several key reasons. The most common are mechanical wear over time, electrical shorts, and contamination from bad fuel. Modern pumps include built-in safeguards to prevent vapor lock, but issues persist, especially in older vehicles and with ethanol-blended fuel causing corrosion and clogging. The Chevrolet Cruze from 2011 to 2015 experienced fuel pump failures due to ethanol-blended fuel clogging the pump. This led to hesitation and no-start issues, especially in cold weather. The BMW 3 Series from 2012 to 2018 had faulty fuel pump relays, causing engine hesitation during acceleration. Electrical failures were common, requiring relay replacement. The Ford F-150 in 2024 had a recall for relay failures causing no-start conditions. Electrical issues left drivers stranded, highlighting common fuel pump electrical problems. These examples show common fuel pump failure patterns, often involving electrical components like relays. Regular maintenance can help prevent such issues. Experts estimate that fuel pump issues cause 10 to 15% of all no-start engine complaints. This highlights how critical these components are in vehicle reliability. The good news is that proactive maintenance can prevent up to 70% of fuel pump failures. Regular inspections and timely replacements are key to avoiding costly breakdowns. While electric vehicles are on the rise, fuel pumps will continue to be important for hybrid vehicles and the millions of older internal combustion engine cars still on the road. Looking ahead, expect to see more advanced AI-driven diagnostic tools that can predict fuel pump failures before they occur, making vehicle maintenance more efficient and reliable.